Let's Talk. Let's Talk is a game which helps children develop self-confidence by giving them an opportunity to talk about and understand feelings and emotions. Let's Talk provides a resource that will improve confidence and discuss emotions by talking. Let's Talk will also provide an opportunity to understand feelings. The resource will also offer an opportunity to develop social and communication skills as included within the new Curriculum for Wales 2020. The game gives the learner an opportunity to respond to questions such as, how would I feel if? Or how would I react if? Or what if? The game can be played in small groups or by the whole class. There is no winner or loser in this game. Everybody wins. The game is suitable for school settings or any setting where you wish to discuss feelings and emotions. Let's Talk responds to the purposes of the new Curriculum for Wales, a game that reflects the requirements of health and well-being and literacy and communication within the new curriculum. The game is also available in Welsh under the title Janglo. Please visit atebol.com.